Hello beautiful people of the internet! This is the Aito M9. We're here at Chongqing, China. I'm Nick Skalanok and you're watching CarGuide.PH. Hey guys, it's different format this time around. I know you're used to me, having a camera in front, but now it's going to be mostly selfie mode because I brought my GoPro with me, trying to keep it light because we're going to be doing a lot today and I need the mobility. Anyways, we're here at Chongqing, China, and the thing that you must know about it is, and it will relate a lot to the Aito M9, is they call this the 8D city, not only because of its tall buildings but also because when it comes to the road systems, it's very complex. There's a lot of levels to it. Fun fact, this is where not only Ceres and Aito but many other Chinese car brands, if they want to test their navigation and autonomous driving, this is the city to be because of the complexities of the road systems. So as you can see, we have a fleet of Aito M9 vehicles because they're going to make us autonomously drive these vehicles on the, or at least one of the most complex driving roads in China around. So on the way to the testing area where we will be in a controlled environment but with different barriers and obstacles to test the autonomous driving, we actually rode the M9's there, and the drivers of the M9, they did their own autonomous driving, so we were able to experience it in real world conditions. And I have to say, it was very impressive. It was very reactive to the cars around us. Guys, I'm here with Margaret. She's my guide. Hello. She's my guide in this whole test drive thing. And today's a little bit different because I just came from the Aito M5. So if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll put the card here for that test drive. But now, more than test driving this car, we're actually going to be testing the autonomous driving and how good it is with the Aito M9. So guys, this car is no mystery. We actually featured this car before. So if you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to put a card, forgot which side, but I'll put a card up there so you can see like the feature list of the Aito M9. Because here we're in Chongqing, China, and we're actually here to test drive the autonomous driving of the vehicle. Being here for like a day, I really noticed when it comes to the road, there's so many various barriers, so many different sidewalk heights, so many cars, motorcycles, all that stuff. So today we're going to be testing the Aito M9. And let me get my camera because well, since it's autonomous driving, and I like to remind everyone, this is a closed location. So in terms of testing, we can like do the stuff that you shouldn't be doing on the road. So because more than that, I want to show you also what the car is seeing, which you'll be able to see on the driver display over here. Okay, I'm ready. So right now, with the press of the button over in the steering wheel, we're now doing the autonomous driving. So controlled environment, so please don't do this at home. So I'm going to like recording the highlights of the video of what you're seeing. So right now you can see that the car with its LiDAR, it's able to detect the road, and we're approaching. If you can see there, it's like a club car. Oh, and then there's the HUD over there, you can see. But okay, so even from afar you can see it's detecting that club car, and it evades it so smoothly. How cool is that, guys? How cool is that? So at least here in China, it's a mix of using the LiDAR of the car and the navigation data system of like what they use here in China. So right now it's using Gaudo maps. And from what we heard in the tech talk, they're actually in talks with Google so that they can apply this system abroad in the other ASEAN countries. Guys, because I have my hands off, the car is reminding me that it wants a little touch. And where it's knowing that I'm not touching the car is with the camera right there in front of me. It's watching my move. So I think is the car happy now? Is the car happy?
I think so.
Yeah, I think it's happy. But there. Oh, so here. So because we were coming from a downhill, the car noticed it, and just so that we're safe, it actually slowed down on the downhill. So what I like about this autonomous driving, it just doesn't just go straight and turn where it needs to turn. It also makes sure, or it's very, at least very considerate to the regular people or to the other people driving around. Okay, so there's like a motorcycle there, and look, the LiDAR detects it, and the people! And the people! Okay guys, taking video.
Sorry, Nicholas, you need to unlock the...
Look at the detail of people. That's how detailed the Aito M9 is. You can see all those cars. So I'm happy to report that overall, we were truly impressed with the autonomous driving of the Aito M9 with its LiDAR, its radar, its sensors, and all that stuff. It seems to work, especially when we tried it in Chongqing, China, wherein it had the navigation system as well. So hoping that Aito is able to integrate Google Maps or Waze so that we can use it here in the Philippines soon. And I'll be looking forward to that, and I cannot wait to test it out.